Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. Marginal costing. Fourth problem we are doing. This is something different from the previous problems. Before going to the problems, let me remind you all the formulas are compulsory. You have to remember the formulas. Then only easily with left hand you can just work out the problems. And also please check the playlist. There are many subjects which already prepared at the rate free of cost to all the student community with lots of my energy and time. Please use it and don't forget to share these videos. This is a small request. Now coming to the problem. So the problem is given us like this. You are required to calculate PV ratio, BEP, margin of safety, sales required to earn a profit of 50,000 and also profit when sales level is 9 lakh. Profit also we wanted to find out when sales are 9 lakh. In the previous problem this was not given. Now if you see the data also this is given differently, but need not to worry. What is required will take that data only. Now what is given? Sales of 10,000 tons. So value is 5 lakh. Cost, material, labor, direct expense 1,50,000 and 10,000 together 1,60,000. This is nothing but variable cost. They are not saying directly variable cost. Fixed cost is given. Fixed cost is here 3,40,000. Direct labor, material and direct expenses, all these things are variable expense only. So 1,60,000 is variable expense. Profit is given to us 40,000. But we don't require profit. Now what we need to do? All these calculations. So one by one we'll go ahead. I think you are perfect. You got some idea already. So now first PV ratio. PV ratio, what is the formula? S minus V by S into 100. S minus V by S into 100. S is here. Sales minus variable cost. Sales is 5 lakh minus variable cost 1,60,000. S minus again sales 5 lakh into 100. Okay, so we'll put it on the calculator. 5,60,000 minus 1,60,000, it is 3,40,000 I think, minus 1,60,000. Yeah, 3,40,000 into 100 divided by 5 lakh. 3,40,000 na, 3,40,000 100 divided by 5 lakh. 5 lakh. It is 68%. Oh, this is a very good percentage. PV ratio is 68%. Next, what we need? Break-even point. Break-even point in value we can take directly because per what do you say? That's not given. Sales per unit, variable cost per unit is not given, so we cannot calculate break-even point in units. So we can calculate break-even point through value only. Break-even point is equal to formula, second formula we can use it directly. Most of the time we'll use this formula only. Fixed cost by PV ratio. Remember this. Fixed cost is, fixed cost is 3,40,000 by PV ratio. PV ratio is 68%, means 68 into 100. We'll just calculate 3,40,000 into 100 divided by 68. 3,40,000 divided by 68. It is 5 lakh. Break-even sales are 5 lakh. 5 lakh. Okay. So second one is over. Now third one is margin of safety. We'll do it here. Margin of safety is equal to actual sales minus BEP sales. Break-even sales. Actual sales are how much? 5 lakh. Break even sales also 5 lakh. It means the answer is 0. There is no margin of safety. There is no margin of safety because actual sales, break even sales, both are same. Now next to DWIT, sales required to earn a profit of. Earn a profit of 50,000. One formula you have to remember, S is equal to, sales is equal to fixed cost plus desired profit by PV ratio. The same formula will be useful for even EBIT also. So now sales required to earn a profit of 50,000. So fixed cost is here. Fixed cost is 3,40,000. To earn a profit of 50,000 by PV ratio 68 into 100. If you do the calculations, 3,40,000 minus 50, it is 2,90,000 I think. Minus 50,000, 2,90,000 into 100 divided by 68. So altogether we are getting an answer of 4,26,471. 4,26,471. Sales required to earn a profit of, if you want to earn a profit of 50,000, we need a sales of this much, 4,26,471. In the same way, next EBIT also. Profit at a sales level of 9 lakh. Means if you want to get a sales of 9 lakh, what should be the profit? Same formula we'll use. Okay. So profit at a sales level of 9 lakh. Sales is when sales are 9 lakh. So we'll write here sales. When sales are 9 lakh, what should be the profit? Fixed cost is 3,40,000. Same formula plus desired profit. Desired profit we wanted to find out by PV ratio 68%. Okay. So calculation 68% means first we can just go for it 9 lakh into 68% is equal to 3,40,000 plus profit. So 9 lakh into 68%, it is 6,12,000. 6,12,000 is equal to 3,40,000 plus P, profit. So we'll take it on the left side, 3,40,000 plus profit is equal to 6,12,000. So profit is equal to 6,12,000 minus 3,40,000 minus 3,40,000. It is 2,72,000. Profit at a sales level of 9 lakh. When you sell goods at 9 lakh, then what would be the profit? Profit you are going to get 2,72,000. Both you have to understand. Rest of these calculations you know. First one is the DBT is sales required to earn a profit of 50,000. If you want to earn a profit of 50,000, what should be the sales? Sales is equal to fixed cost plus desired profit by PV ratio. So that you got this much. And profit at a sales level of 9 lakh. Profit, what should be the profit? Once if you sell the products at 9 lakh, if you have done the calculations, you are getting 2,72,000. If you sell the products sales are 9 lakh, then your profit will be 2,72,000. Am I clear? Note down or take a screenshot. If you understand this problem maximum, I am sure that you got a very good understanding about this marginal costing. The coming classes will see some more variation problems. So by the way, be in touch, check out the playlist and don't forget to forward these videos. Good luck and have a bright future.